She was simply a little girl named Manya, standing before one cabinet, wondering what secrets it held.
Manya, come here, my little one. Let me show you something.
Come here, Manya. Look. Do you see these? They're special. Every one of them has a story.
Outside those quiet walls, Warsaw was no ordinary city. Poland no longer existed as an independent nation. Its people lived under Russian rule. But inside homes like the Skłodowskis, hope was still being quietly passed from one generation to the next. Every morning, Władysław Skłodowski walked to the classroom, not simply to teach physics, but to keep the spirit of learning alive. Every lesson was an invitation to observe carefully, to question fearlessly, and to understand the world through science. When the school day ended, his lessons did not. The most important student was waiting at home. Each evening, he carried more than scientific instruments. He carried ideas and a lifelong love of discovery. At home, science was never locked away. It became part of everyday life. To most people, they were only scientific instruments. To Manya, they were a doorway into another world. He understood something profound. Curiosity could never be taught by words alone. It had to be experienced. He never rushed to give answers. He first taught Manya how to ask the right questions. In that quiet room, a lifelong journey had already begun. The world simply didn't know it yet.